Copper-Zinc water purification, simple, proven, low cost. Storing water with exposed copper and zinc pieces, a galvanic pair, releases metal ions that rapidly kill bacteria and many viruses via the oligodynamic effect. Laboratory and field studies across more than a century document strong bactericidal action, near complete reductions, 99.99% or similar, of organisms such as E. coli, Salmonella, Vibrio cholerae, and MRSA after hours of contact. Historical and modern evidence includes ancient use, Egyptian and Ayurvedic traditions, numerous peer-reviewed experiments, and municipal/academic literature reviews. How it works: when two dissimilar metals contact water, they form a galvanic cell that accelerates ion release. Copper ions damage multiple bacterial targets, membrane, proteins, DNA, simultaneously, preventing resistance. Zinc contributes additional antimicrobial mechanisms, producing a faster, broader kill than copper alone. Effectiveness increases with exposed metal surface area and contact time, typical recommendation, several hours to overnight. What it does and does not do. Effective, biological disinfection, bacteria, many viruses, some protozoa reduction, for stored or relatively clean source water, passive, no power or consumable cartridges, low cost and scalable. Not a filter, it does not remove sediment, turbidity, chemical pollutants, heavy metals, fluoride, or dissolved agricultural/industrial contaminants. For visibly dirty or chemically contaminated water, physical filtration should precede metal treatment. Not suitable for tiresome structural failures, do not rely on this for water with severe contamination without appropriate pre-treatment and testing. Practical, minimal resource application, high level. Use clean non-plastic container, glass, ceramic, stainless steel. Clean metal surfaces, vinegar/cloth, to maximize ion release. Place pieces of copper, pipe, mesh, wire, and zinc, galvanized fitting or bolt, in the container, ensure good surface area and proximity to enable galvanic action. Fill, cover, and allow several hours, overnight preferred, contact time before consumption. Larger surface area and longer contact increase speed and completeness of disinfection. Replace or recondition metal pieces if heavily corroded, retreat water if storage extends beyond recommended periods. Safety, limitations, and public health context. Metal treatment is supported by extensive literature, hundreds of citations over the 20th century, and documented community pilot programs that reduced waterborne illness in resource-limited settings. It requires understanding of limits. It is not a universal substitute for municipal treatment or certified filtration where chemical contamination or very turbid water is present. Monitoring and combining with basic filtration when needed yields the best outcomes. The World Health Organization data on global water access underscores the potential value of low-cost, passive microbial treatments in many settings.